Hello, my name is M.arif Fadilah from class 9C. Today I will show you how to make noodles omelet. Tools and ingredients we need is leek, chili, knife, spatula, noodle, bowl, salt, oil, water, pan, and frying pan. The first step we should do is boil the water until 3 minutes. With a small heat. After that, we boil the noodle until 5 minutes in a small heat. If the noodles are cooked, then we transfer them to a bowl. Step 2. We mix the eggs and all the ingredients into the bowl containing the noodles, then mix well. Add a teaspoon of salt. And then mix it again. Step 3. We heat the oil in 1 minute on a small heat. And then we fry all the ingredients with enough oil and heat a small amount. Fry it until 15 minutes. If the noodles are cooked, move them to a serving plate. And the noodles omelette ready to serve. Thanks for watching.